A laser cut acrylic logo like the one shown out here looks absolutely classy. Fabricate such a logo in the name of your company or as per your logo design, and I guarantee it is going to attract everybody's attention. For example, if you see the logo that we've cut out here, we've used a mirror gold acrylic sheet with a black acrylic base plate, and we have also provided this 3M two-sided tape which enables direct installation of this logo on any smooth surface in your office. You can install this logo on a glass partition or on the walls inside your reception area. And in case you're wondering how the installation takes place, let me show you how. Along with the logo, we also provide this polycarbonate stencil cut in the same shape and design. And so what you have to do is simply paste the stencil in place, taking care to see that you achieved your 90-degree alignment. This stencil has now given you your position, your guideline, and what remains to be done is take the logo, peel off this 3M tape and simply place this logo in that stencil. And such a simple solution can take your office interiors to the next level.